Well, joining me now is legal analyst Mark Garagos. Mark, good to talk to you. We've talked many times over the years in dramatic court cases. There haven't been many more dramatic than this, and a result that may shock a lot of people.
Well, I don't know that it's shocking to me, because if I had been advising him, I wouldn't have advised him to go through this. It seemed like a fool's errand, but obviously he got a verdict. But people should understand what happened here. He got $10 million in compensatory. He got $5 million in punitives. The judge immediately reduced the $5 million to $350. She got $2 million. But I will tell you, I'm not so sure that this stands up to scrutiny on appeal. Remember, he was suing for her statement that was ghostwritten for her in the Washington Post. The fact is, she never mentioned him, number one. And number two, she was held liable for the headline, which she retweeted. I think courts are going to have appellate courts are going to have a real tough time with that. And from her standpoint, she was suing for what his then lawyer said. So the case is, there's a lot of kind of legal or liability by proxy, if you will, in this case. And it is surprising. I'm with you, Piers. I wouldn't have expected a jury to have come back with these kinds of numbers, 10 on one side or 10,300,000 on one side and 2 million on the other. But it sure seems like it was a lot of effort for I don't know what, because ultimately I don't know that it stands up.
And when they say that she acted with actual malice, that's basically saying we think she deliberately lied.
Yes, in order to get malice, you have to, that's your mental state. That is the jury saying, based on everything we heard, the totality of the evidence, we are inferring that she acted with the intention to do harm to him. And, so yes, that's going to come back, obviously, and it did come back to find her liable and for her to have to pay more money than he has to pay her.
Mark Garagos, as always, great analysis. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate it.